Hey guys, hope you're alright. Today was a profitable trading day, but I made some mistakes also. So let's get straight into it and we'll talk about it in the video. Starting the trading day, this is during the after hours sessions. And I see we're backtesting the 24 EMA here and we got a nice reaction from the level. We're above the 1 hour trail. So I decided, you know what, let me enter with 6 micros and place my stop a little bit lower. And yeah, I was trying at this point to figure out why my smart DOM is not displaying my information. And yeah, it was just on the mini contract, and I got filled on my first take profit here at 26, and then I put my stop loss to break even because I wasn't so confident in this move. We were after hours, and yeah, the price wasn't moving so fast. So moving forward, you see, I put my stop at break even, and yeah, I made some money on the live account, but the FTT accounts were actually closed for a loss. So I think because of lag or something happened, but yeah, I just made $15 on the live account and minus 10 on 2 of the FTTs and 0 on the third one. So right now, look at this. We went all the after hours in a bullish uptrend, right? This is where I took the long. We went lower. We reclaimed the 24 EMA and we pushed higher. We made a new high here and we rejected from a naked very, very high level. And then we started changing market structure on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. We lost the EMA here. This was a nice short opportunity, but I didn't take it. But anyways, New York opened, and at this point we're just building a huge node here at the value area low of the P-shaped profile, right? ES is doing the same thing, same price action, but we lost both VWAPs and the EMAs, and we're trending below the 1 hour trail. So at this point, I'm thinking if we lose this node, we're going to retrace the previous day price action, or we're going to test the previous day high. So that's my reasoning. So at this point, I saw we lost this node that we built right here. I entered really bad here. I entered impulsively, aggressively. I should have waited for a backtest of this area right here, and let's see what happens. So I cancel my take profit and I move my stop above the highs, and then I place my stop at the previous day high. Okay, all good until now, and we go higher, and I'm like 50 points underwater. This is a conversation I had with a friend of mine. Let's move forward. So yeah, look at this. We backtested the 24 EMA. Had I waited for this backtest, this is the perfect break and backtest of this consolidation area, and this was the appropriate entry. So I entered at 386 and this entry is at 414. This should have been my entry, this should have been my stop loss, and I would have been a lot more in profit than I am now. I could have entered with 1 mini here. It would have been a great trade nonetheless. So let's see how this trade played out. You can see a nice reaction from here. I wanted to compound in this trade, but I got that message and I didn't understand what it is. And it's just because I have my stop loss and take profit set at 40 ticks, the stop loss. And had I entered, my average position size would have hit my stop loss instantaneously, and I would have just entered and lost some money. And yeah, no point in entering. And I had to uncheck this button right here for me to enter, but I did not do that. So had I entered here, check this out, what price did. Okay, I wanted to enter again, I didn't. So now, had I entered here and I unchecked this button, I would have gotten a nice reaction already from this move, right? So look at this. This is 415 till 402. That's a 15 point. That's almost 50 ticks, right? That's 50 ticks. So had I entered with 1 mini, this trade would have netted $300 already. This is what I had to do for the day. Enter with 1 mini there. That's all of the trading I had to do during this whole day. And I didn't do it. Why? Because I was already in 1 micro here in the trade. So at this point, this is my plan. Look at it. It's ridiculous. Like my TP is 100 points away from me and my stop loss is 50 points away from me. So yeah, this trade is quite ridiculous. Even more the stop loss is now. But my stop loss I calculated was $100 from me and my take profit was around $200. So it's a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Not a bad trade. We come back higher. We back tested the 24 EMA once more. I could have entered here again. I did not. And now we see after plenty of time that the move is starting to go into my direction. First time I've been in profit since I entered the trade. You can see here that I've been underwater for more than 40 minutes in this trade. I don't know how many candles, but that's plenty of candles, right? And right now the trade is starting to go into my direction. ES is doing the same thing, and we're heading lower. So at this point, look at this. I'm sharing, I'm talking with people, analyzing my entry, and at this point, I'm in nice profits. The trade is playing out in my favor. Yeah, so I closed it here. Where did I close it? Let's watch. I closed it right here. This is where I closed the trade, $76 in profit, not even halfway till my, what's it called, my take profit target. So this is trading based on fear. This was a decision based on fear. I didn't want to lose the unrealized profits. At this point, what I should have done, I should have waited for a clear sign of strength before exiting the trade. I did not do that. And this is something I need to embrace as a weakness of mine, and I need to practice moving forward, and I need to focus on what can I learn from this. And in the moment when I feel this type of fear, I need to acknowledge it, and I need to take a decision irregardless of how I feel in the moment. That's what I need to do to grow as a trader. So this is an opportunity. It was a mistake, but I'm not looking at it as, Robert, what are you doing? You're stupid for this. You're not trading good. Be ashamed, be whatnot. I'm not here to lecture myself. I'm here to grow. And each of us, when we do such a mistakes, we need to take account, journal it, and learn from it. And next time we're in a similar trade, apply what we learned, because I had the plan. My plan was to take profit at the previous day high because it's based on logic. We trended all the after hour session above the VWAP, above the 1 hour trail. And once we lost and got away from the VWAP and the 1 hour trail, all of those traders are trapped. And I knew that. And my trading plan was right. I just couldn't follow through to it, and I need to learn from it. So yeah, let's see how this day unfolded. I closed out of this trade. I'll speed up. You can see. Let me show you my. Okay, this is how my PNL looks. I was $300 in profit on my Apex account. I took a trade. I don't remember which one. I didn't record it. And I'm $88 in profit on my live trading account, and around $60, $70 in profit on my FTT accounts, right? Not too bad for one trade, but I could have made plenty more. I could have made 3 times this amount had I let my trade follow the plan, of the trading session. So I'll speed up the session, and I'll talk about what happened during the latter part of the day. So look, we came back to the 24 EMA, and right here, it's a trade that I could have taken. I had that Apex account, and I entered, not now, I entered here. Right now, I entered one mini contract on that Apex evaluation account, and I wanted to hold it until the lows. But I closed that mini account, mini trade. I closed it pretty soon. The trade started happening, and it did happen. Okay, at this point, here at the bottom of the move with the evaluation account, I entered a 6 contract short at the bottom of this 1 minute candle. And then on the retrace of the next 1 minute candle, I get stopped out and I blow the evaluation account. The evaluation account that had 1.5K profit in it. Why? Because I missed the 35-1 playbook setup with one mini. And because I got mad that I lost it, I chased the move. I entered at the bottom of this candle. The retrace up liquidated my account. And I went ahead and purchased another evaluation account. And of course, I was really annoyed and tilted, and I blown that evaluation account as well. So that's when I decided to step away from trading and really look at, let me finish with this. Yeah, I'm buying the evaluation accounts, blah, blah, blah. I'm listening to music. I'm watching let me go back a little bit because this is interesting. So this is how my FTT calendar looks like. Today was a green day. Yesterday was a green day. I only had 3 losing days, but yeah, I'm trying to become consistent and just get in the market and take my piss, and then move on to the next day. And yeah, I'm trying to do that, and I'm having some progress. I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm going to say some good things about myself because I deserve it. I have been trading really good, my live accounts and my FTT accounts. I'm proud of that. And yeah, I just need to keep it up and create a pad, a 2 or 3K pad on each of my FTT accounts. And afterwards, I can think about withdrawing some money, because I want to leave my accounts with a hefty pad, so I won't lose my money. I will be able to use these accounts moving forward. And yeah, this is what I've been working on, and this is how my calendar looks like. I'm pretty proud of it. Yeah, I'm aiming for a 80% win rate percentage on my trading days, and I hope that at the end of the month I'll be somewhere around that number. But yeah, let's move forward and see how the rest of the day played out. So we rejected from the 24 EMA once again. I didn't have an evaluation account at this point, because I would have wanted to enter at this point again here. And look at this, my initial take profit target would have been hit, and I would have made $200 on that one micro short. And yeah, moving forward, let's end the video here. Okay, this was my trading day. What did I do good? I did good the fact that I took that first 35-1 playbook long, the first trade that I took, this was a good trade. I TP'd after 20 ticks and I placed my stop loss to break even. That was a good thing, because my entry was a bit late also. I should have entered on the 24 EMA, but I did wait for this candle to take the liquidity and close bullishly, and that was my entry trigger for this trade. So yeah, my entry wasn't late in this case. It was just like not a trade that we saw continuation in. And the second trade that I took, this trade was based on what the after-hour sessions looked like, the volume profile, how that looked like, the break and backtest of this volume node that we created here on both indices, both ES and NASDAQ. And this trade idea was something that we discussed in Rivalry's Discord server, and it was something that all of us were aware of, and I personally understood this trade setup, but I just didn't follow through with it. And for that reason, I'm going to have to make a note of this. And I was aware that we could bounce from here and backtest the 24 EMA and continue lower to the previous day high, but I didn't want to see that, because there was a chance or an opportunity for me to get stopped at break even. And yeah, I would have left those $70 profits on the table had that happened. And yeah, I took a decision based off fear of losing a realized profit, and that's not good trading, because I shouldn't take decision based on fear. I should take objective decisions here, and that's my job as a trader. And afterwards, blowing those evaluation accounts made me realize that, okay, I'll stop trading evaluation accounts until I get some payouts from FTT or my personal live account, because I can't give my full focus and attention to both accounts, because one of the accounts, this trade I missed, what I took, but I just was scared to be in it. And yeah, afterwards I just FOMO'd into the evaluation account, and I didn't respect my playbook, and I paid for it, and I lost $60 real money from my bank account, but I won $240 on my other accounts. So yeah, moving forward, I don't want to trade Apex evaluation accounts until there is a 90% discount, or I'm going to have the patience to just link the evaluation account to my copy trader and just put ×5 the position size on Apex and just trade it normally as I normally would my FTT accounts and my live account, because I can't just trade one account with gamble mentality and 10 minis or 5 minis and yeah, lose an account in two trades. That's just stupid and no risk management, and yeah, I'm not too proud of that. But this was a long video. Sorry, it's 15 minutes, but hope you learned something from me today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.